Hi, I'm Scott Duke from Gateway Capital and Wellstand Group. If you're looking for a profitable manufacturing company in the Vancouver area that already has built-in management and an established clientele with recurring revenue, this may be a business for you to look into a little bit further. Here are the high-level details. 2018 year-end data and 2019 is actually tracking ahead of this, but our revenues were $3,140,000 with net profit of $516,000 and EBITDA of $761,000. The profit margin, it outpaces a lot of the competitors in the print industry at 16.5%. They have a lot of efficiencies in the business that's allowing them to do this. They run lean with a staff of 12. In the high-level org structure, there's more to the actual org structure than this, but this is the high level of it. So you have ownership, which is looking to sell the business. There's a general manager who operates the day-to-day and is looking to stay on with the company. There's a sales division, a design division, and a production division. The return you'd be looking at if you put 30% down, you'd have your money back in 1.75 years, under 2 years. Your total purchase price, you'd have your money back in under 4 years, and the projected EBITDA, once all your debt's paid off in year 4, would be just shy of $1 million. All right, the next step is wherever you're watching this video, you can reply and send us an email. We'll send you back a non-disclosure agreement and a link to set up a phone call with us to talk about the opportunity further. And we look forward to talking with you.